Hi, welcome all. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the post market analysis. Nifty witnessed a range to sideways activity in the first half, looking for fresh triggers. Doji candle was formed in the previous day, awaiting for the directional move. Bank Nifty too was looking for the fresh triggers and awaiting for the price action. In the second half, market saw a strong pullback in banks, HDFC Twins, SBI, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank to take the index above 44,100. Nifty 2 saw a pullback to close around 18,800 zones, keeping the bulls alive. What next? Open interest data suggests Nifty a range bound expiry between 18,800 to 18,910. Nifty sustaining above 18,860, we might see a short covering up to 18,900 or higher levels. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy trading.